Here is the formula for calculation of arithmetic mean of the group data. So before discussing all these formula, let me show you exactly what is the group data and how we will calculate the mean in case of group data. So here is the group data. What are the group? 8,000 to 12,000 is the group. Means this is the salary group that started from 8,000 and end less than 12,000. Why we are taking less than 12,000? Because 12,000 is here also. So you can take only at one place. You can't take at both the place, because otherwise there is a duplication of data. Your data will not be correct, because in the beginning we have started with 8,000. It is not more than 8,000. Exactly 8,000 we have started. So here also we will start from 12,000 only. So this must be less than 12,000. So while you are calculating the frequency, you have to take care in your mind that it started from 8,000, but the last is less than 12,000. So here in second group it is less than 16,000, third group less than 20,000, fourth less than 24,000. In this way we have arranged the data. Means the first group is 8,000 to 12,000 and the total number of employees 400. Second group is 12,000 less than 16,000, total number of employees 375. Third group is 16,000 to 20,000 and what is the total number of employees? 50,000. So this is the group data. Now what you have to do, you have to calculate the midpoint of this group data. In the other word, you have to calculate the average of this group data in every group. So you can calculate very easily. Is equal to, start with bracket 8,000 plus 12,000 divided by 2. This is the midpoint. In this way, in the same way, you have to calculate the midpoint of all these groups. In Excel, it is very easy. Just drag it and you will get the midpoint. However, in examination, you have to calculate manually if this question will come. Now you have to calculate the frequency. It is given here 400, 375. All these are frequency itself. So you need not to do. You have, this is the frequency itself. You have to write the same thing. So I'm using the formula here. I took the frequency also. What this column? This is frequency multiplied by midpoint. Fi is frequency of individual group and xi is midpoint of individual group. So it is now clear. So for in formula we will use the same thing. Fi is the frequency of each group. Xi is the midpoint of each group. You have to multiply. Just write equal to sign. Midpoint multiplied by the frequency. Press enter. Got the answer. I will drag and I will get the calculation of all these group and their respective frequency. Now we have to add all these things. We have to get the summation of multiplication of frequency and midpoint. So is equal to sum, start bracket and add all these. We got the summation. Now we have to divide. We have to divide by the summation of all these frequency. In fact, this is the summation is the total number of observations. Summation is the total number of variables. We have to take the summation of all these variables. So is equal to sum. Calculate the summation here also. And we got the summation. Now at the end, to get the result, means to get the average, frequency multiply by midpoint of the group divided by summation of the frequency, and this is the average. Same thing we have discussed here. in the PPT. So what we are going to multiply midpoint of the group, that is denoted by xi, frequency of the group, that is denoted by fi, and that we have to calculate the summation. We have to take the summation, and then we will take the summation of fi, frequency, and that is the, and in this way we can calculate the arithmetic mean of the group data. Thank you very much. We will meet in next lecture with new topic.